I picked up this unfinished tic-tac-toe board at Hobby Lobby. It was $30 and it was in the 40% off section. I started by painting the entire board in the Wise Owl white primer and all the X's and O's in Snow Owl. Once my primer was dry, I began painting the entire board in Our Republic red. I did do 2 coats. I'm going to be working with farm to table tissue paper. This is from Redesigned by Prima. This tissue paper is almost, it's extremely easy to work with. It's a little heavier in weight. It almost feels like a dryer sheet. You can't wrinkle it. You can't tear it. It has to be cut. And I just started by cutting out for my X's with the farm to table. I'm going to use our 1 hour enamel clear with an art brush. And I'm going to do this in sections and laying the tissue paper down. Now, because this paper is a little bit thicker, I do go over the top with another coat. You don't need to use the brayer or anything like that. And I really try to saturate it with the 1 hour enamel. And then I set that aside to dry. I'm going to be using the paper called Grid. Both of these can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. I'm going to use this on the O's. And I'm going to do the same pattern. I put the 1 hour enamel clear on. I lay the tissue paper on. And then I do the top coat of the 1 hour enamel clear. And I did the same pattern on all the O's. Once everything's dry, I'm going to use a razor blade and just go down the edges of my letter. And now this paper feels stiff because it's now all dry and it has that 1 hour enamel all dried in there. So it's quite easy to go around with the razor blade and just cut as close as you can. I'm not looking for perfection. I just want to get the majority of the paper off, and then I'll hit it with a piece of sandpaper to smooth the sides. Now I'm going to remove the grid using the razor blade. And again, I'm just getting as close as I can to get the majority of the paper off, and then I'm going to hit it with a piece of sandpaper. Now I'm going to take our Wise Owl salve, which is our wax. It's an all-natural made out of essential oils. And I'm using my 2-inch palm brush, and it's basically a wipe on and a wipe off. And this is going to give me my top coat for my tray. Now I'm just taking a little black paint and a chip brush, and I'm doing a dry brush all over the tray to just give it a more distressed look. I put a little bit of paint on my chip brush, dab it on a paper towel, and then just go left and right in all different directions on the tray. And then I'm going to allow that to dry. And now you have this cute tic-tac-toe game that you can sit around your house or even outside on a patio. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.